Last week, we covered 3 free AI tools for drafting, researching, and refining. This week, 3 more. But these ones are different. These don't replace the apps you already use. They live inside them. All 3 have useful free versions. The difference? They don't make you switch tabs. They work inside your existing workflow. Here's the one that surprised me the most. One of these free tools can take any PDF, research paper, or document you upload and turn it into a podcast-style audio conversation between 2 AI hosts who discuss, debate, and explain the content to each other. No recording, no editing, just upload and listen. We'll get to that. Gemini's biggest advantage isn't that it's smart. It's that you barely have to leave the apps you're already using. If your work already runs through Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Slides, or YouTube, Gemini is already connected to all of it. No uploading files into a new tool, no switching tabs. You stay in your workflow. Students, imagine your entire semester is already in Google Drive. 40 docs, 15 slides, 10 PDFs, professor emails in Gmail, exam dates in Google Calendar. You can ask Gemini, create a revision plan using all my biology documents in Drive, my professor's emails, and my exam dates. That workflow is only possible because Gemini lives inside the tools you're already using. For German users, here's a real example. Take an official letter from Bundesagentur for Arbeit sitting in your Gmail inbox. Ask Gemini, explain this German official letter in simple English. Tell me what I need to do, what documents are required, and write a polite German reply asking for clarification about the deadline. One prompt. Gemini reads the email, explains it, and drafts a reply, all inside Gmail. The best AI is sometimes not the smartest one. It's the one already connected to your daily life. One honest limitation. The free version has usage limits, especially for the more advanced Gemini models. For occasional tasks, the free tier is more than enough. But here's the tool that nobody in your contact list is talking about yet, and it's completely free, no limits that matter for most people. NotebookLM is Google's AI research assistant, and unlike the other tools on this list, it doesn't begin with the web. It begins with your own knowledge. NotebookLM doesn't start with the internet. It starts with your documents. Upload PDFs, Google Docs, research papers, YouTube videos, or audio files, and it answers based primarily on those sources, keeping responses focused on your material and citing where the information came from. Quick correction from last week's video. We mentioned Notion AI as a free option. Full Notion AI is paid. NotebookLM is free for most people, and that's why it's on this list instead. Students, imagine your entire semester living inside one AI. Upload your lecture slides, notes, textbook chapters, previous exam papers, YouTube lectures, and even lecture recordings. NotebookLM turns them into one searchable knowledge base that can generate summaries, flashcards, quizzes, study guides, and answers, all grounded in your own sources. Professionals, upload a contract or report and ask, what are the 3 most important risks here? Same principle, only your documents, no guesswork. And here's the feature that genuinely surprised us, and one of its most distinctive feature. NotebookLM's audio overview takes your uploaded documents and generates a natural podcast-style conversation between 2 AI hosts. They discuss the content, ask each other questions, and explain the concepts as if they're having a real conversation, based entirely on your sources. Upload your lecture notes before an exam. Upload a report you need to understand before a meeting. Put on your headphones and listen while commuting. That feature alone makes NotebookLM one of the most underrated free tools available right now. Most AI starts with the internet. NotebookLM starts with your documents. The free version is generous enough for most students and professionals. You can create multiple notebooks, upload many sources, ask questions about them, and generate audio overviews without paying. Adobe Express is the free design tool most people haven't tried because they assume Adobe means expensive. It doesn't. The free version gives you access to thousands of templates, stock assets, and monthly generative AI credits. Students and freelancers, your ideas shouldn't look amateur just because you're not a designer. Adobe Express helps you create presentation covers, infographics, posters, client proposals, and portfolio graphics in minutes using ready-made templates and AI-powered editing. Small businesses and content creators. Turn a simple product photo into a professional advertisement. Remove the background, generate a new scene with AI, add your branding, and export, all without learning Photoshop. 2 honest limitations. 25 AI credits per month runs out if you're generating images heavily, and a watermark appears if you use premium stock assets, easily avoided by sticking to the free asset library. So here's what part 2 of your free AI stack looks like. Gemini, when your work lives inside Google and you want AI without switching tabs. NotebookLM, when you need AI that works only from your own documents, not the internet. Adobe Express, when you need professional-looking design without professional design skills. And if you're wondering which combination is right for you, student, NotebookLM plus Gemini. Work in Google, Gemini first. Create content, Adobe Express. Combined with last week's ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude, that's 6 free tools covering almost every task you face daily. Next week, the challengers, Grok and DeepSeek, 2 AI tools taking on everything we've covered in parts 1 and 2. Can they win? Subscribe to find out.